Yeah, so welcome everyone and congratulations to Trinad for release of his movie and for doing good business. And yesterday Trinad was also there, and day before yesterday I actually requested Trinad at the end of the session that I had no idea what's going on there. Like you told me yesterday only that it's becoming like commercially successful also. So I had no idea day before yesterday. I just asked him, okay, let being a writer, not about the commercial aspects, but our discussion, yeah. So Trinad has so far, if any one of you who are watching there, so you can go to the previous video who are watching on YouTube, and the video of like previous meeting with Trinad is there, in which he has already told us about the his journey from a professional into software field to a script writer, and he is a self-learned person, and he learned through YouTube, and he through books, and it's really good. I mean, and it's when I talk to Trinad, like, see, whatever you do, it's your passion actually. Passion makes a man. I'm telling you about one thing. Many people, I don't know whether you are familiar with this person. His name is Sangrakshita, and he was a British person during Second World War. After Second World War, he was born in India, British person. He participated in Second World War, and then he became a Buddhist monk, and he tried to get into Buddhism. Buddhist monk he became. Yeah, his name is Sangrakshit. I don't know his British name. His Buddhist name is Sangrakshit. And recently, a few years back, he passed away after 90 years of age. And I have almost heard, like, his audiobooks are there. You can go to website, and there are a lot of disciples. And he says something that if you want to learn something, then learn it from the people who have passion rather than people who are into the institutions. And even if you go to institution, we don't have many big people like in the field who had been to institutions. Scientists are there, researchers are there, and in films also there are people who are not into the institution, because even if you go to the institution, it's your passion that you carry forward, and that makes you a professional. So today we have so many people have joined. I think many will come. So Bharat Devmani is there. Daza, where are you from? I am from Bhutan, sir. Oh, you send me messages on Tandia. Okay, okay, you are from Bhutan. And Bharat, where are you from? There were, I think there was some problem in my camera. No, you can speak. We can hear what you are saying. Yeah. Sir, I am from Ahmedabad. Oh, you are from Ahmedabad. Okay, Matthias is there. Matthias is from Nigeria, na? But now you are in UAE. Am I right, Matthias? Yeah. So Matthias, yeah. Okay. I was confused with Elijah, who is from Cameroon. Oh no, he's from Mozambique. Mozambique. Cameroon. Elijah is from Cameroon. Samir is here. Samir is from Nepal. And Sinha. There is a one. So Sinha, where are you from? So all of you who are not speaking, please mute yourself so that we will record the voice properly. So Sinha, I can see your profile. Where are you from? Okay, Samir is there from Nepal. Ranjit is there. He's from Assam. Gopi is there. He's from Tamil Nadu. And Trinad is there. Someone else has also joined. Rajendra Sabia. Yeah, Rajendra ji, where are you from? Mr. Rajendra Sabia. Can you hear me? Anyway, so you can go to the previous video of yesterday. Okay, he's from Telangana. He has written this. So first of all, I would like to introduce Trinad. He has given his introduction to us, and he is among very few people who are coming regular to our class. This is a script writing session which I started, and it's almost 23rd day and continuous session. And since the time Trinad joined us, despite the fact that he has already written script which has been made to a movie, it's his passion for the field, for his art, that he's coming regularly, and many of the people who are coming today are coming regularly. So Trinad, people can go to the previous part, and on the previous part you can listen to Trinad how he started his journey from nowhere to a script writer. And so now Trinad, I want to continue with the second part of our meeting, and I will ask you so many questions. Then we will come to the people's round. They will also want to ask you. So
Sure.
yeah. So first, tell me that you wrote dialogues for you, translated the last script of your director. His name is Shri Kumar,
See, sure.
Shri Kishore. So you translated his work. Then what happened after that? Like after that, what happened? How he approached
Yeah.
you? Like what happened?
So I have written the subtitles for one of his movie,
Mm-hmm.
the previous movie.
Mm-hmm.
So he approached me that you know doing it with a plan, like this is what his idea is.
Mm-hmm.
So I was okay with it. I mean, because end of the day, I was looking for the movie opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
Because end of the day, I want to make a movie. It's not that where they are doing it or like I don't have restrictions. Because
Mm-hmm.
I'm from Hyderabad, Telugu. If I want to make a movie in Telugu industry,
Mm-hmm.
so that won't make a sense. I mean, for myself, I made my mind in such a way that so he's doing it in Chinese. So I said okay to that, but slowly it took a lot of time for us in the sense he is actually there for almost 13 to 14 years, but I have never been to that place, Hong
Mm-hmm.
Kong.
Mm-hmm.
It took a lot of time for me to understand their culture and
Okay,
how they behave
but he could
because it's
he can speak Telugu. Like which
yeah,
language
he
he
can
speaks?
speak. He's from
Okay,
here only. I
okay.
mean, from
But now
native
he's
from
into
here.
that culture. Like
Actually, yeah, he married a girl from Hong Kong,
okay,
and he got a kid. I mean, almost he's yeah,
okay,
10 years, I guess.
okay. So
So
like he asked you to write the script. Like after
yes,
how
yes.
many days when you did this work? Like first work for him.
Almost within 1 2 months, we got an idea. I mean, idea in the
Okay,
sense we got a structure kind of thing.
okay.
Overall script it took almost 8 to 9 months
8 to 9 months.
complete.
Oh,
Yes,
so you had
to complete
meetings like
overall.
you two were meeting together continuously, or like over
Just in a
emails,
phone call. Yeah, just in a phone call
phone
like this.
conversation. You are okay,
Continuously. That was
okay,
regularly like
okay.
because I need to understand a few things, and
Mm-hmm.
he was giving some reference kind of thing because to know their culture.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's not easy to adapt one culture. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
we can, as a person, I can know the culture and all. I mean their traditions and all, but
Mm-hmm.
as a writer, I need
Mm-hmm.
to obviously you know very well, Nikhil bhai.
Mm-hmm.
As a writer, you need to get inside to that character
Yes, yes,
because
yes,
you need to
yes.
love that character. Because
Okay.
in depth, you need to write. It's not that you can write it in such a way, just
Mm-hmm.
like that character.
Mm-hmm.
So for that, we did a lot of practice in that. Like
Okay.
I have seen many movies,
Okay.
and we were talking about the culture, different things,
Mm-hmm.
even unnecessary topics. I mean to say unnecessary means other topics also we were talking, and somehow I'll get connect to one of the scene or one of the situation or whatever we can adapt it to our movie or our script.
Mm-hmm.
So that is how it started with that. Almost 9 months, I guess, we have completed it. The total
Okay.
script.
So how much you
It's a love
took
story.
actual, like when he gave you the idea? So it was in the form of synopsis. How many pages were there initially?
It was initially he has given me 2.5 pages. Just a
Okay.
kind of synopsis
Then
kind of
then
thing, like
how you
overall.
proceeded, like from 2.5 pages, which were in like A4 size.
Yes, yes,
Okay, type pages.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Then what you did, like?
So um, I I just read that for multiple times just to
Mm-hmm.
make sure I
Mm-hmm.
should get the idea. I mean,
Okay.
first of all, because I need to see on his vision
Mm-hmm.
because he's there. He's actually daily he's meeting the people and he's doing the he's a dancer over there. Actually, he's professional.
Okay, okay, okay.
He's
I
a
think there
free
is that's why there are a lot of like dance and songs
there
in that movie.
no, actually, we thought of making it in a Bollywood style.
Okay,
That was the main thing.
okay.
We thought of making it, and it was initial thought only.
Mm-hmm.
When we were writing script only, it was initial thought that we want to make it in a fusion kind of thing, where here and there, the culture, how we eat Indians, or how they eat. So the small things we need to introduce in that. So after he gave me that script, synopsis kind of thing, it took for me to write like I was again writing my point of view of a story.
Okay,
I started writing a story kind of thing, like
okay,
hardly I have written like 10 to 12 pages, just kind of story. If it is
okay.
a
Then you
backstory,
developed it into your own story. Like you took
yes,
the
yes,
basic
yes,
soul, I would say, the
yes,
basic
yes, the
idea
soul.
from that,
I took the
and
soul.
okay, okay, okay,
So I was doing developing, and I was
okay,
talking to him, and I was doing it. While
okay.
every day, 1 or 2 hours, I was in the phone call with him.
And
Then
how
after
much?
that,
And so how much time you take? Like you took to actually from that 2.5 pages to
it
start
took
the script.
almost 10 days. It took.
Within 10
It
days,
took
you
10
wrote the
days.
story.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
nice, nice.
I got the complete
Okay,
story.
okay.
Okay. So, and I narrated. Narrated in the sense already he knows that story. Every day we are. The
But
journey
you
is going
added
on.
many things and
Yeah, obviously.
okay,
So this will be good. That will be good. So that was a very initial stage. So
okay,
I added few things to make it like kind of structural kind of thing. 3 act structure.
okay.
So
But you are not familiar with the
yeah,
like he's making this. He has made it in Hong Kong, and they are Indians and Hong Kong people of like China are also there. But you
yes,
have never lived there, like. So how did
yeah.
you
I've never
manage to?
been there.
Because why I'm asking, I got a work like where I have to write for some other country. So it
Okay.
has been in my mind, and I'm going to YouTube and watching their videos. So how did you manage when you are not writing for a place where like you have not lived there, like?
I've never.
So how you
Yeah, it's
managed with that?
actually a challenging job only. But
Okay.
I feel because of him,
Mm-hmm.
because he is from here only. Because
Mm-hmm.
if that guy is also from
Mm-hmm.
there, so maybe it would be very
Mm-hmm.
tough job for me,
Mm-hmm.
because that guy is from here and we were talking in Telugu,
Mm-hmm.
and we are talking in our mother tongue. So
Mm-hmm.
in the we developed it. We were talking like too much. I can say every day 1 hour, 2 hour like that.
Mm-hmm.
So we used to talk a lot. So that made me okay to proceed further, or
Okay.
to make it like expanding in such a way.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how it started with that.
But what
Then after,
research did any research for understanding of the people of China, like characters, Chinese characters over there, like who are there in the
yeah,
story?
I,
How
I,
many
I,
how many main characters are there in the story, like in terms of people from India, Indian characters and Chinese characters?
I can say Indian characters, the main characters, 4 characters from India,
Okay.
and 4 5 characters
Mm-hmm.
from China. It's like
Okay.
I can say it's not comparison, but the
Mm-hmm.
thing is, we feel that we had a plan in previously only. It's like a
Okay.
fusion kind of thing we want to make it,
Mm-hmm.
and it would be like this way.
Mm-hmm.
So it doesn't mean that like we have to, if Indians are 4, we cannot make Chinese are 4 like that. But according to the story itself, it is like that. It looks like that.
Okay.
So
I had been to China
what?
actually. I had been to China in 2010, and when I
Okay.
went there, at that time China lifted ban on Indian movies.
Okay.
So the first movie that was already released there, I think that was,
Okay.
or that movie was coming, was My Name is Khan. I mean, when I
Okay.
was there, the posters were there, and that was the first movie in China which was
Okay.
going to be released. And then, like Chinese culture is very similar to Indian culture. I mean, the kind of shyness it's there in the Chinese
Yes.
people. So that I found that they are also shy like us. And Amir Khan was very popular there. I think that's why
Yes.
Dangal worked there. And I went to Beijing Film Academy. My film was selected over there. They conduct an international students and video film festival. So it's a very big academy of Chinese government and wonderful work they are doing. I think there are more than 3,000 or 3,500 students there, and they are actually very good people. Like, in terms when I don't know why there is a lot of problem. So when you and you were writing, so was it only for the Chinese people, or like what are your plans like? Will you release it in India also?
Yeah, we have plans to release it in India, but the
Okay,
thing is, they want to release it in other places like Vietnam, and he had all the other places to
okay,
release in theaters. Then
okay.
because once we release it in OTT here,
Mm-hmm.
so it will go in a copyright issue will come. So that is the
Mm-hmm.
reason first. The theater,
OTT should be the
whatever we
last.
have, yeah, that is what.
Okay.
So here it comes to OTT only. I'm
Mm-hmm.
sure, but not sure which channel it is. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we are trying for that.
Okay. Tell me more about like how much time you took from those 10 pages to final script. 10 days you took to write
Yeah,
your treatment.
10 days I took to
Yeah.
write it kind of to get a
Mm-hmm.
structural way. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so this is the way we can go
Mm-hmm.
because obviously you know very well from idea we
Mm-hmm.
take a raw idea, and
Mm-hmm.
if it goes to final script would be going it will not go in a proper way. Obviously it will go in a different stages. I mean
Mm-hmm.
different ways also. So we should have that soul or the theme what
Mm-hmm.
we are looking, and we should stick to that
Mm-hmm.
till end up the completion of the script.
Mm-hmm.
So that care actually we have taken, because it should not go beyond that what exactly we are looking out or what exactly we want.
Okay.
So it was like as you said, like research has done, and how I did a research means he was giving me all the inputs, and he was giving me some movies
Mm-hmm.
also where
Mm-hmm.
I watched those movies and make sure how the culture and all.
Okay. So you also watch Chinese movies to write this
Yes,
movie. So
yes.
this is
Before
very good
writing that,
advice.
I
I
watched
mean,
it.
we should watch the movies like for if we are writing for any other culture.
Yes,
Yes,
obviously
yes,
we
yes.
should watch because how they talk and like we can't understand, but still, I mean, few
Mm-hmm.
movies, not, I mean, without having subtitles, I watched it
Mm-hmm.
because I didn't get subtitles. But those movies are like, kind of culture. They're portraying their culture, so it's better to watch it. So I watched few movies in that. So then I came to know, okay, this is the way
Mm-hmm.
how they behave, and
Mm-hmm.
I won't find any change, as you said, like Chinese are like similar to Indian mentality, but I don't find any drastical change in mindset kind of thing, because even those people, like their mother and daughter relation,
Mm-hmm.
how they behave or how they talk, everything is like almost similar to our culture only,
Okay.
or Indian culture.
Yeah,
So I
yeah,
don't
yeah,
feel different because their emotions,
yeah,
everything is it's normal only.
yeah, yeah.
You won't believe that after we have done the first copy, and editing is been done, not
Mm-hmm.
even a soundtrack, everything is done, just not completed songs and all. But I have watched a raw movie here in India, because post production work is going work we did it in here only.
Mm-hmm.
So without watching the subtitles, I was enjoying the movie because I know scene by scene, right?
Okay. Yeah,
That is
because
the reason.
so how much
Then
time you took from treatment to final script?
that took almost 8 to 9 months.
Oh, okay,
Total
okay,
8
okay.
months.
It's
Because
a very long
I
time, like very long time, I think.
it's a very long time, because I stopped this and I was watching all the movies, and I was doing all the research part that so
Mm-hmm.
make sure that it should be like this. So if we
Mm-hmm.
don't want to hurry the script, because it's a script stage, we should give time,
Mm-hmm.
and we both are doing our jobs. I mean,
Okay.
he's a dancer over there,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm doing my job.
Mm-hmm.
So without, I mean, disturbing all these things, then then we continued that art.
Okay.
So that yeah, I can say it's a long time, but I feel it requires for a person like me to
Mm-hmm.
explore the things, because now everyone is saying, even there also the reviewers, they are giving a review kind of thing, and they have similar way how we have a reviews and all.
Mm-hmm.
They are also saying that writing is good, dialogues
Okay.
are good,
Okay.
and
Okay.
they are
Nice.
saying that
Nice. Nice. Nice.
structure, it's in three act structure.
Okay.
So they are also reviewing that. So it's like I feel that whatever the time I took, or we took the
Mm-hmm.
time, that is fruitful now.
Okay. When you
Okay.
completed your first draft, so how much you changed in the later drafts? Your
Actually,
first,
what
your raw
happened is,
draft, like.
yeah.
Okay.
Once we completed our first draft,
Mm-hmm.
we thought of we had different issues. Like it's like a cinematic way only. I'll
Okay.
tell you that. I'll share with you guys.
Mm-hmm.
We got one of the producers from there,
Mm-hmm.
from Hong Kong.
Okay.
Yeah. So obviously, few changes he asked us.
Mm-hmm.
Very small corrections.
Mm-hmm.
We are okay with it, because until it's not going into other side of
Mm-hmm.
the what do we call story, or like theme of the story.
Mm-hmm.
So we are okay with it. So few changes even me and that guy was discussed. He came to Hyderabad,
Mm-hmm.
but along with
Oh,
this
he
guy,
came from Hong Kong to Hyderabad. Producer came.
Hyderabad.
He was
Yes,
Indian
yes.
or like Chinese producer?
Chinese person only.
Okay, Chinese person.
Chinese person. He
Yeah.
wants to see that how it is, because we said like we are doing post production work.
I
here.
also met someone who was also into production, and he was not from film school. He was like his girlfriend was there in the film school, and he was such a nice person. He wanted to invest in India, actually, and he invited me to a dinner. He gave me dinner actually, and he was very nice person. But I don't know why these things are not happening. Like, but
Yeah.
because Kumar is already there now, so that's why he could like. Okay, then what happened?
So he came to India. We thought that it's almost done, because he would be the producer kind of thing. So it's like we were doing that. I mean, I was rigorously doing the changes and all. I was thinking about it, how to implement and all. So because we said most of the major technicians are from India.
Okay.
And as well as we are doing the post production work here in India. So
Okay.
in Hyderabad, especially, I'm talking about.
Okay.
So he that is the reason he has come here to see
Okay.
how they are doing
Okay.
and what they are doing.
Okay.
He met everyone, because only director is the only person who was there in the Hong Kong. So
Okay.
they both met, everyone met, and actually first I met. We were discussing about the movie, the structure. He likes that way of writing and all. He also praised that in an initial stage, he read the story completely.
Okay.
He thought it's going in a positive way. Then after that, what happened? He has been continuously giving the changes.
Okay.
So I was implementing few changes. Then few changes, I told him this is not the way how it's supposed to be, because it's going in deviating the story what we want to say that first.
Okay.
So I told him, and we discussed. We means me and
Producer told you to change.
Producer told me to change it.
Okay. Then you discussed it with director.
With director.
Okay. And what was his point of view?
He also not agreed for few changes, because obviously if the script is gonna kill, see that is not our motto, right? We want to go with the proper way. So and moreover, we felt that it's a never-ending story. Like he's keep on giving the changes. Like tomorrow he'll see something, some different culture here.
Yeah.
Tomorrow he'll be watching. He'll be going somewhere and saying some other things.
It was his like the producer. Had he produced earlier like?
No. Actually, he did distribution kind of thing.
Okay. Yeah, that is the problem. Actually, people.
Yeah, that is a problem. He was not a regular producer over there. So he had businesses and all. He did a distribution. So he is interested in film. I agree. I'm not saying denying.
Now he must be a happy person.
Interested in,
now how is he? He's happy. He must be a happy person now.
Obviously, I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, he was like, yeah, he's given a feedback. It's
Okay.
good. He
Okay.
watched the movie, and
Okay.
it's a normal. It's not that we fought each other.
Hmm.
So what
No,
happened?
these things
He
happen.
was
If you really want to do something good, then you have to like participate. I would say it is a participation. Like everyone, and when we are making movie, actually everyone wants to participate. Like and
true.
like how okay. So was there anything from the actors side also? Like who are the actors? Are they like they have already working like already worked in some movies?
Yeah, they only except protagonist. I mean, hero.
Okay.
Everyone is already established character, established actors over there.
Okay. And
Only
did they
retired.
ask to change the movie like story script? Did they ask for any change?
Yeah, that's what I was telling. We
Okay.
didn't do with that producer actually.
Okay. Not with the
The
actors.
person
No,
who
no,
came
not with
behind
the
the bar.
actors. Actors didn't ask you to
No,
change. Okay.
no. They are actually very professional.
Okay.
They're
Okay.
very much professional. I mean,
Hmm.
if I put full stop in that they
Hmm.
stop it.
Okay. And one
Whatever
thing.
is there, they rigorously follow it. Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me.
Yeah. I wanted to ask you something about. Yeah. Were you present at the shoot? Like.
No. Actually, I had to go, but it
Okay.
was like due to my personal reasons.
Okay.
My wife was pregnant at that moment, so
Okay.
that's the reason I didn't.
Okay. So
Otherwise,
two
I would
things
have.
were coming for you to at the same time.
Yeah. At the same time, two news actually
Yeah.
that was good news.
Yeah. This thing happened with Ashok Amritaraj also. Like his big movie was there to release, and then his wife was also pregnant at that time. Yeah. So
So
and what are the views like you are getting now? Like you have said that you got the some reviews from them.
yeah,
What kind
reviews
of
we are
reviews you
getting
have?
it. Like writing is good, structure is there,
Okay.
and it's like Bollywood style is there, and few dialogues are good because in
Actually,
our regular dialogues
many
are not
people
good.
who are watching this program, they may not know that in China, Indian culture is very popular. Like, particularly, they like Indian dances. In Indian lehengas are very popular, and
Yes,
they like it. And we don't. We think of China only in terms of products we get from China, but actually, China
yeah,
see
we
us in terms of culture. We have cultural affinity with the China, and that's there actually. And there are a lot of
you're
Buddhist
right.
temples are there. People do worship Buddhism.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a different way. I mean, actually, I had a plan of going into the shoot also, but the shoot got postponed because of the COVID thing.
Okay.
Otherwise, I could have gone and before itself. That's a different story.
Okay.
And what happened? That producer I told you, he has come and so we rejected him.
Okay.
Actually, we
Okay.
rejected him, though he has come here. But
Okay.
in a sense, we rejected means it's not. I'm not saying in a proudly manner, but the
Hmm.
thing is, you know, he was keep on saying all the corrections in the script, and script will be going into something else. So I don't want
This
to
is the
judge the script.
problem. What actually Trinad is saying. See, when you are working with a professional, then you have to trust with him. And not all professionals are Einsteins, but what a professional means. And I mean, a professional is something who is average in his work.
Yeah.
This is what I am telling you from the court cases. When the problem came, like when the cases came, that something happened during some surgery, and the relatives went to courts and they seek the legal aid from the jurists. So judges, the point of view of judges is this that this profession of medical field, you don't have all experts. What a doctor does, he applies his medical science, knowledge of his medical science to his best. Likewise is the like we are like script writers or directors, but still there are people actually they want the problem. This is the problem what you are saying actually. This is the problem. That is why most of I saw a movie. I mean, 2 days back. It's on Netflix. Such a bad movie it is. It's a horror movie. It's a zombie movie,
Okay.
and we watched it with lot of hopes with family. And it's
Yes,
such a
expectation.
bad, such
Okay.
lot of expectations. Such a bad movie. So this is the problem. I also said in the previous classes
Okay.
that people think about writing that it's easy. I can make a
Yeah.
story because we are surrounded by the stories for so many years, like
Yes.
since childhood, and we think it is
Yes.
easy, but it is when you are writing for script, when you are writing for TV or film, particularly in the today's fashion of web series, it's very difficult. It's not easy actually.
Very. Not
Yeah,
that
and you
easy.
have
Yeah, that's
to
what.
see. You can't. There are some people like, but you can't jump into all the things now.
True.
Being a director and writer also, being a producer also, being from films, I respect cinematographers. Sometimes their problem is that sometimes they think out of story, but
Yeah.
I have to depend upon them. Few days back,
Okay.
I was talking to my friend and I said, I don't want to compromise. We are talking about some project. It's a low budget project, but I said, see, I don't want to compromise on the look of the project because look will give an impression. It's very important impression. It's your cinematographer who can bring that look to the screen. So likewise is the script writer who is also very important. Without a good script writer, without, and this is the problem, as Gopi was also saying yesterday, that people, rather than hiring script writers or giving respect to them, they write on their own, which is okay, but you should
Yes.
also trust. That is why writing is there, I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyone
But
wants to ask,
yeah,
yeah,
basically.
anyone wants to ask anything from Trinath, please ask.
But I
Okay.
really,
So
yeah, very good question.
if director producer, one question has come, I will also read that. If director producer wants some changes, someone is saying something.
No, no, they are muted.
Yeah, Matthias. Yeah, who is it? Matthias.
Matthias,
Yeah,
yeah.
Matthias.
Yeah,
Ask.
I want to ask, not based on just the producer or the director, I want to ask him a personal question.
Yeah.
Like, is this the first main movie he has been writing, or like, what were his challenges during the period of him writing this movie?
Did you
The
get it?
challenges he faced during this period.
The challenges.
I mean, yeah, the major
Yeah.
challenges you face during this period when you're writing this screen.
So
Yeah, main
challenges in
challenge
terms
is
of creative challenge or some other challenges?
Yeah, creative challenges and
Okay, what were your
the
challenges like?
important challenges.
Okay, from the moment you
yeah,
got your 2.5 pages from your director, what were your challenges?
Yes.
That's, I think, Matthias wants to ask.
yeah. Yeah, thank you, Matthias. The challenge, I mean, there are a lot of challenges, writer and director also. I'm not saying that, denying it, but of course, what I faced is like, first of all, language, because we need to know that how they. It's not that I'm going to learn the language, but the thing is their culture. As we discussed, I didn't do anything. I just stopped the work, and I was watching few movies, and I was checking their lives, kind of thing, like few documentaries. Um, in their They make some documentaries, right, in their life, how their lifestyle. So I have done all this research kind of thing. So that took me time, but I don't think it's a challenge, because obviously I feel script writing itself is a challenge, because we need to, once we write something, we feel that this is a very good script, or like I can say I'm 100% confident in it, and as well as I can convince, or I can say, I can inform to that same thing, same positivity. I can see that in the director also, but we both need to go ahead and convince the other people like investors or the producers. So we feel these type of challenges are more than actually the technical or challenges when we are writing a script, because writing is, I really enjoyed writing it, because it's like a I was really excited because it's completely new. First thing, earlier I have written, it's not a, I have written few scripts and I helped few directors like a ghost kind of thing, ghostwriter kind of thing, but my name was not there in most of the places, and few gave me money, and few just took my ideas, because I was in the discussion, and they didn't even give a credit on that. So many things happened, but this is the first one. Actually I worked on it, so I was very much excited. So I don't feel it's a challenge, because no issues. It was like fun writing this. So
Okay.
that's what, I guess I answered your question.
Yeah. Okay, so one more question has come. It's from. Just wait.
Bharat, I guess Bharat asked something. If
Yeah, I
director
think
producer
Bharat asked something.
want some changes, but we don't like it, then what to do?
If director producer
Just
wants
say
some
no.
changes, but we don't like it, then what do we do?
See, if you don't like, you don't work, because there would be no soul if you're still working on that.
No, his question is, director wants to change some scenes and all. That time you don't prefer, you don't like that.
Yeah, that's what. If I don't like it,
You
I
want
cannot
to,
work.
you are suggesting to, this scene is very important scene, sir, like that you are suggesting. But the director, I don't want. Please remove and all. This scenario, what you will do? He said,
Sure.
like that. But correct?
I'll say that it's not negative way. I'll try to convince him, because I am a person, I'm talking about myself. I'll try to convince, but I'll give some extent time for him to understand what I'm trying to say, because it's not that we write in a in a normal way, because
I like to add this thing. I was doing a project for a friend who got this project from
Okay.
someone from outside India. He was an Indian. He's an Indian who is living somewhere in Europe. And my friend asked me to write a movie for this. And then
Okay.
I wrote something, and he said, "No, you don't have to write this thing." Then I said, "See, this is the problem. This." But then he said that, "See, that guy wants it like this, so don't do. He will not understand. He's not from Salemata." But still, what I did, actually, then I did my research. It was some kind of related to life, like some like public activity. So I improved my research, and when I improved my research, and when I put that research into my script, and he showed it to him, he liked it actually. So I think it's also important that you have to understand other person, and you put not just that I am a writer, so what I am writing is okay, not like that. But I think if something like this happens, then there is a lot of scope for the improvement. That's also, it's a challengeable, like it's not only writing. Suppose you are selling something and you are not able to sell that. After all, your first buyer is your director and your producer, and they are the they are the not just buyers whom you are selling toffees, chocolates, bread, butter, but you are selling an idea on which they are going to spend millions of rupees, millions of dollars might spend on that. No, that is
Yeah,
your
that's what I was
one time
about to say,
customer in
that,
your life, one time customer.
Yeah.
Suppose you make your writer, your director or your producer unhappy, upset, and he will go into the talk like this writer is having so much attitude and so and so. So he's your first customer and most important customer.
Obviously.
I told you the story of Steven Spielberg. He didn't want it to do the movie Jaws initially. He had no interest in doing Jaws. He didn't like it. But the producer brothers wanted to make it, and he was also searching for work. So he put it took a
Obviously.
midway, a mid path, the middle path he took, and that movie became his most successful movie. Like,
Yeah, yeah. That's what I was about to tell. Like, see, first of all, as if it is my case or my how I do it, things are like I'll try to convince, but because if I write something, it's not that I'm like a god. If I write, I can whatever I write, I should not delete that. It's not like that. I can do that, but the thing is, there should be some reason behind when I write something. So that is the main reason I'll try to convince them. If completely mismatch is there in their ideology and my ideology, and mostly like what I was trying to say, that first I can try to rewrite it until he gets, but if there is completely mismatch of a person, so you can't do anything, because even if you write a Bahubali movie also, a script also, he won't like it, because it's a mismatch of like your mindset, your ideology. So this is like that is the main reason. If you see in Bollywood or like even in Hollywood or anywhere, Tollywood, if you take any place, film industry, only two people are if they're mixed with their knowledge or mixed with their mind, they want to work again and again. We feel that why these people only doing, why they are not giving a chance to new writers or new directors, because the main reason is, first script is like 10% only. My script will impress only 10%, or my story or my whatever, my idea, only that 10%. Next thing is my act, how I am talking to them, and how positive I am. Though you are giving any feedback, or if you feel that if you are a producer or director, you are giving few feedbacks like I want changes on this. How soon you are adapting the change. So they will see all these things and they will continue, because one person is continuing like a both director and writer, or director and producer, or like director and writer and director. So these things, like these combinations, you see whatever it is, it's like a kind of mindset. First of all, okay, trust should be there. It's like a wife and husband relationship. Trust should be there, and as well as you should have that at least like-minded people, we call it. So it should be there. Otherwise, you won't see. Maybe you can do a miracle, but he's not the right guy, or he must be something else. Maybe you are not the right guy to fit into his whatever he wants, like a director or producer. So this is like this will happen to many people. If you see that talented people are there, creative people are there, it doesn't mean that like how talented you are, how creative you are, whatever the script you write, it's like only 10 to 20% which will give you an access to talk to some person. But rest everything is your behavior, your adaptability, and how you are proceeding further. And main thing, you need to you need to make them understand that your effort, like this is it's not that you need to show your sweat. So it's like you should show your effort on the script. So they will okay, this guy tried. Obviously we also, if we see them if we see the director or producer from their point of view, we also say the same thing. It depends on their. That is the reason I said, like one of the producer who came to Hyderabad also, and it's not that we were also not interested, because it's like completely going in another way. That is not what we want to do. First of all, we want to go in a different way. So this is going in it's a mutual thing only. We no sir, we won't do. Politely we informed to him that we are not doing any more changes. So thank you very much. thanks for your effort and coming to Hyderabad, and that is also not a small thing, right? He's coming to Hyderabad, and as well as he read the whole story, he's giving all the changes. So his effort also is there. It's not that I can make him like low kind of thing, but maybe we won't fit into his requirements. So we felt the similar way. So, sir, okay, thank you, bye bye. We said like that. So it depends on. We have given a threshold time of almost we traveled with him like 6 months.
Okay.
Then we came to know that he's as you said, like what is script writing? Yeah, I can write it like this. People will think I can get given ideas. I can give something, write it, sit and write. It's not that easy to sit and write. I'm not saying it's a great job, but what I'm trying to say, it's a creative job. You should respect. You should respect at least your job first of all. And this question, Bharat question, what my conclusion is, first of all, no one will respect your job first, because writer means, yeah, okay, boss, whatever you do, I will do. It's not like that. You should respect your job, and when you feel that, yes, I can go ahead with this person without having money also. This is what your attitude should be. If a person is not giving money also, you should run or do the work along with him. Otherwise, if there is no wavelength or matching, you will come to know that how this person mindset and all. If it is not matching or it's going somewhere else, even if you give a Bahubali script also, he won't like it. That is my conclusion. That's what I feel.
Okay.
Thank you very much, both of you, sir, and I am really satisfied from your answer.
Thank you, Bharat. And Ashok, congratulations, Trinad Garu. Thank you. And so, what is your and director's future plans for next film? Will you be going next film in China or India? Yeah, we actually in a kind of dilemma. We are also thinking because we have plans. We have 3-4 scripts. We have fusion again with a different way, with a different culture, different country. But we are actually thinking in a different perspective, because this is the major step we are gonna take. Now it's the second week only, cinema release. We are actually enjoying the success. It's going very good in a box office wise also, because the people, they are also the people who put money also, they should get it right. So that is how we are thinking, and now it's going good. Mostly we'll be having a plan like within a couple of weeks, maybe we'll make something because we also thought of moving from this to next one. So journey is there, sir. Thank you. Thanks, sir.
So when you were writing this screenplay, I mean, as you already read about lot of things, like you had been into the process of learning about script writing, so you kept the 3-act structure in your mind. You kept it in your mind. 3-act structure was there.
Actually, no. Actually, not the structure was not there in my mind.
Okay.
Because I feel, I don't know how, because it's work is like writing is like, as you know that, you know very well than me.
Okay, but which was the crucial part? Which was the
different way.
most crucial part to write in the script?
Writing, I feel it's not a writing. It's kind of when you're doing a treatment kind of thing. That would be the crucial part. I
No,
feel.
no. When you were after treatment, when you were writing your final script. See, when you are right, because why I am asking this. See, when you make your treatment, you actually build up your story. But when you are writing a script
Yes.
in a script format, that is the time you become your first audience of the story. So you are somewhere you are also watching it while writing and also enjoying it.
Yes.
You might be laughing it
Yes, you're right.
and you might get scared if the situation is not like that. So at what point you find it the most crucial? I mean, I want to ask straightforward, is it the beginning, ending, middle part? Which part you felt was most crucial for you?
For me and this film, I felt like ending.
Yeah,
Ending was
yeah, ending
part
is
for me.
most crucial
Because
part.
normally when we write a script, we should know our ending. We call it, I mean, most of the people will say that you should know your ending. We know our ending, but still the way, the process, we started it from the story and trying to end it, it's like, normally I do an analysis on movies and I read the scripts actually from Hollywood scripts. It's there in online and all, right? So
But
I
making
normally
on
read
your
those
own is always a difficult. How much you write,
Yes,
how
yes,
much you watch, it
how
doesn't
much,
matter.
whatever the knowledge you have, whatever the
That
experience you
doesn't
have,
matter.
but it's like it doesn't matter. You're right.
Yeah.
But my intention, it was running my mind like I have seen many movies, many things. Like second part, I'm talking about
Second half.
after midpoint.
Yeah.
Second half after midpoint, slowly the graph would be reducing for few movies. I'm not saying all the movies.
That's
Slowly,
okay.
it's like,
That's okay. That's okay.
that will be happen with the most of the movies. So I feel like that was in my mind where mind in the sense I was cautious about to do that. Like it should not, the graph should not fall down completely. In a sense, okay, second part he didn't do very well or he didn't write very well. It should not be like that. So I thought of going into the graph should be, of course, it's a roller coaster ride.
And did you
The graph
talk
should be
about
up
the
and down.
budget?
I need to-
Did you talk about the budget things with the director? Did he instructed you that this movie is going to be under this and this budget, so don't include something like this, which is very expensive?
Actually, the movie kind of thing where we didn't talk about it. First of all, we didn't talk in a sense. We both got into, that's what we didn't get a chance to do that because the main reason is we thought it would be making within 2 to 3 crores of movie. Movie will become like 7 to 8 crores because it's expensive. It's an expensive thing over there. So we planned it with strict because see,
You
don't
planned it
know
with?
it's a
You
Bollywood
planned it
style.
with?
I didn't. Sorry,
What you said? You planned it?
I didn't get your question.
You just said. Naturally, I lost
No,
it.
we didn't plan much. Oh, sorry. Okay. So we didn't plan much about it. Like
Okay.
because we thought of in mind we had already 2.5 to 3 crores we need to make the movie. I'm talking about Indian rupees. So that is a very low budget in Hong Kong, first of all. And we didn't restrict ourselves because especially in writing part. Why? Because though it's a Bollywood style, I didn't write it such a way that hero would be flying from helicopter and he's jumping out. It's not like that. There are no scenes like that. So, no expensive scenes. It's just a normal, how a person, I want to show that a person struggle when he's recently moved to Hong Kong. A family has moved to Hong Kong. So what will happen, how he feels as a protagonist, what is his goal, what he wants to do. So that's how his journey. It's a character-driven story.
Okay. Thank you.
So I hope it
Yeah.
such a-
So time is passing. So
Yep.
thank you, Trinath, for coming to the session. And you are already there. I have already sent. So those who are watching, for them, there is a very good because you have seen our YouTube channel, and there are a lot of reviews I give. So very good channel, very good like this new series has come. I have seen the 2 episodes, and it's very beautiful episodes. And the name is Sweet Tooth. So if you want to watch, it's also dubbed in Hindi. You can go on Netflix and watch this very beautiful. It's very very beautiful series. Like the 2 episodes, and very new things they have given. And there are a lot of Indian characters. There are a lot of people who are in Netflix. They are like from Indian background, and they are also, I think, they are also contributing a lot. So we are coming. The name of the series is Sweet Tooth. So you can watch Sweet Tooth.
Sweet Tooth.
Yeah, Sweet Tooth is the series.
If you don't mind, can you ping me that?
I will send you a link, and those who wants to attend these classes, they can join you. And I am going to conduct horror script writing sessions, which are paid sessions. If anyone wants, you can join me. And we are also conducting Hindi script writing session in the Hindi medium. You can also join. These are the paid sessions, but this session between 10 to 11 is a free open, and it's not only about script writing but other aspects of the cinema. But our emphasis will remain on script writing. That's our main emphasis. So, anyone wants to ask any last question?
And
Chisti Ashok.
yeah, one more
Yeah,
thing. Just I want.
yeah.
Yeah, it's not the questions, I guess. Just they're
Okay.
saying thanks.
So you are okay.
Yeah, my thing is what I'm trying to say is for people who are there and who are watching in YouTube,
Hmm.
Nikhil is doing a very good job because it's not possible for everyone to do this. He's taking a lot of time. He's putting so much of effort to do this because I just read through his Breaking Bad series and all. I mean, what he has written for the what sessions.
No,
actually.
they are just,
It was,
I just copied, but
really-
just spend some time. It's not like that. See, things are there, materials
Yeah,
is there,
that's
but
what I'm saying. Like
we
you
have to
some
spend the time. Yeah,
That's what I'm
spend.
saying.
Yeah.
What I'm requesting the people who are like watching or like who are there in right now, just utilize him because he's doing very good job. He's taking time and putting the effort and doing it. So it's much better to utilize this opportunity more and learn something. It's not that everyone. I mean, even it includes me also. I will also join. I mean, I've been joining because I have some few office calls or
And
something.
any
So
one
that's
of
the
you
reason
who
I
wants to
joined.
learn in script writing in Telugu or English, Trinad also gives online classes. You can call Trinad, or you can call me and take Trinad's number. Number will be available 8527533051. And thank you very much everyone for coming to the show.
Thanks, sir.
I try to keep it like within an hour. Thank you, Trinad. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Bye everyone.
So much.
Bye.